Here's a great Python trick to get a list of characters from a string. Let's go. So in this case, we've got a string saying, I love Python. We want to work out how many vowels are within this string of I love Python. So of course I've just put vowels, but we can put any characters we want in here. Numbers, letters, special characters, whatever your list wants to be. What we need to do is count the vowels. So, first of all, if we look at the string here, we've got one capital letter and the rest are all lowercase. So the vowels that we're looking at are all lowercase. So this I wouldn't pick up this capital I, so we would actually miss that in our list. So what we need to initially do, we need to create this string all into lowercase. So the capital I becomes a lowercase I to ensure that the code matches the vowels correctly, regardless of whether they're uppercase or lowercase. And then what this part of the code does, it loops through each character in the lowercase version of a string. In this section, for each character, it checks if it's in the string of for each character if it's in the vowel string. So if it's in the A, E, I, O, U. If it is, it returns a true. If it isn't, it returns a false. Then this section at the front, the sum 1, 4, for every character that passes this check over here, the code generates a 1. And this is all it's doing is summing up all of the ones. So for each time it's true, it generates a 1. And this first bit of the section is adding up all of 1. So it's essentially adding up all of the vowels. So finally, let's print this and have a look what number we end up with. So we've got 4. And there's 4 vowels altogether. The I, the O, the E, and the O. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if you've got any other questions.